Hello world! Welcome to a very special episode of Super Happy Dragon Lucky. I'm Dean Shelton, Director of Engineering at Dragonchain. We're here at the Dragonchain Bellevue offices. I'm with Joe Rhodes, CEO, and Robbie. He's one of the engineers here. So we're going to be doing a performance demonstration today of DragonNet. So I hope you guys stick around. We're going to be having the numbers on screen somewhere. There should be like a graph on screen at some point. It's over here. Oh, it's over this way.
Weather.
So, yeah. So that's going to show the number of transactions that we're going to be pushing through DragonNet. Robbie, you want to talk a little bit about what kind of numbers we're going to be pushing through DragonNet and what that system looks like?
So we're going to be pushing about 2,000 transactions per second. You'll be able to see that on the graph once we get started. And this is all going to be real transactions. We're using fake data, but all of the transactions will be using real employee kind of data. So it'll have some IDs, it'll have first name, last name. It'll look like real data.
Yeah, we're sending JSON payloads using an NPM package called Faker, which generates just fake first names, fake last names, fake home addresses and stuff. So it looks like actual data. So we're not just sending like hello world a billion times. We're going to be sending what would be sent in an enterprise setting. 2,000 transactions a second to a blockchain network. So that's pretty interesting. We're going to be running on about 10 Dragonchains with around 10 to 30 billion time applied to those. So you'll probably see that on the metrics page. There'll be a big jump in L1 time, and a couple L1 nodes have been created for this. So these are like specially created for us. We've bumped up their web servers, so now they're running 2 web servers instead of 1. But that's the beauty of running Dragonchain as a Kubernetes native, like a cloud native application. You can scale up various parts of it. So anyone could do this with their Dragonchains just by tweaking some of the settings. So I think without further ado, we should probably get started with the load test. This thing's going to be running for 24 hours, so we should get this thing started. So what do you say we hit that button? Let's do it. Engage. Yeah, do it. Nice. Hot dog. That's great.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a very exciting terminal output.
Yeah. I don't know if that's on the screen right now, but that's pretty hilarious. Okay. It's like, yay. No, but what that's just done under the hood is that started up our performance demonstration master node, which is responsible for scaling up and down the worker nodes, which will send transactions to the Dragonchains. So it's responsible for checking the number we're trying to hit, in this case 2,000 a second, and it will scale up the Dragonchain worker nodes to the performance demonstration worker nodes to hit those Dragonchains faster and faster until it reaches 2K a second. And then later on, we may spike that up and down, and we'll see how high we can get. At some point, we're going to try to just push this as hard as it can go, and we'll see what happens. It's going to be exciting. So I'll tell you a little bit about what the architecture is it's running on. These are running in the Amazon cloud, the AWS cloud. These are Amazon T3 2XLs. So we can fit about 10 to 15 Dragonchains per T3. So pretty much all of our chains are running in that architecture, all of the managed service chains. So we'll be able to scale that up as needed. So that's exciting. Joe, what do you think about this?
It's great. And did you talk about? I mean, the actual code that's running the demo that scales up and down will be open.
Yeah. Oh, totally. So we built this entire platform that spins up and down nodes and sends data to your Dragonchains. And we're going to be open sourcing all of that code so you guys can take a look at it and even use it for yourselves. If you have your own clusters of Dragonchain nodes, you can run this against your chains and see how they perform. So this is a pretty good way to send information through DragonNet and see how your Dragonchain performs. So yeah, all of that will be open source. Yeah.
Cool. I think that's probably it for this, right?
Yeah, totally. So coming up, we're going to be doing this for 24 hours. So buckle up. But we've got at 11 a.m. Pacific time here. It's 9 a.m. right now. 11 a.m. Pacific time. We're going to have a big announcement. So stick around for that. At 1 p.m., Lynn Robinson from City Council is coming here. She'll be here in studio talking to us, along with the CoinMe guys are going to be here in studio talking about some of their stuff. So yeah.
And look at the schedule. I know schedules are on Telegram, of course, on Twitter, LinkedIn. I've seen them all over the place, so look them up. It might shift a little through the day, at least 20 minutes, but we'll make it up for sure.
Sure.
So,
Yeah, we were a bit late getting started.
that's
All
about
right.
it, right?
Yeah, okay, so I think without further ado, we'll get Lawrence on here. He's going to be talking about architecture, about what Dragonchain is, how the 5 levels of consensus work, what DragonNet is, and so yeah, which is what those numbers are testing. So, all right, we'll get Lawrence to come on in and explain what's happening.
Cool.
But I think that's it for me, guys.
Thanks, guys.
All right.